Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is actually a channel dedicated to just talking about sneakers. I came about doing this just because I wanted to share my passion towards this new hobby of mine, and it's actually collecting sneakers. Today I'll be featuring my recent cop, which is my first win in a long time, and I'll be sharing this unboxing experience with you. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'd like to present to you the Pharrell Williams X Adidas SolarHu Glide ST in the Footwear white, core black, and bold green colorway. So as you can see, it comes in your typical Boost box. It has the Adidas Performance logo on one side, and on the other side, it has the tag. This pair comes in the US 8.5 size, and in the Philippines, it came out at 6,500 pesos price point, which actually is curious because in other countries like the US, it was released around $150, and 6,500 is kind of like equal to roughly 120. So I think the Filipinos got this at a lucky price and at a bargain. So here we go. And again, this is the colorway Footwear white, core black, and bold green. And here you go. Pretty nice. It comes with two sets of extra laces, one in green, one in brown, and the one that's on the shoe right now is the white patterned one. And here's the tag and the continental tag right here. So let me just get the other pair and then move this box to the side. Alright, so here we go. This pair dropped in the Philippines on September 25, 2018, both online and in store. It went live online at 12 midnight, exactly at 12 midnight. In just 5 short minutes, they were all sold out. Luckily, I was able to cop the last pair in my size at the Adidas store in Greenbelt 3 in Makati City. Now, as you can see, Pharrell Williams continues his partnership with Adidas to celebrate the hues of humanity. And this time, Pharrell used the Solar Glide ST silhouette to have an Ultra Boost like look than the typical NMD silhouette. And if you ask me, I think this is the first Pharrell consortium that came out that's a performance shoe that you can actually run on, because the NMDs are more on lifestyle. So basically, this shoe came in 3 colorways, others being black and yellow, and these have taken inspiration from Africa. And if you can see the patterns here in the collar and the way these bright colors contrast the white colors really brings you to the African countries, and it's really good, especially this green tag over here on the lateral side. So basically, the key features of this shoe is the Hue branding on the toe box right here, and the triangle Hue logo on the lateral side here, and this green tag over here. We also have a green heel counter that's pretty stiff. I'm pretty sure it gives you good support. And the Boost midsole, typical Boost full-length midsole right here, and the Continental outsole over here that gives you really good grip and possibly durability, because if this rubber can move cars, it probably could move you and in many miles. What I like about the laces is they have this accent, the 3 stripes in, what is this, burgundy, which is or brown, something like that, which is really great. And I'm really liking this pattern right here, because it really is very attractive. So yeah, I'm gonna try these on and probably feature this in my Instagram. So by the way, if you don't know, I do have an Instagram account. It's at the Buy Next Door. Buy is BAI, and next is spelled with a number 3 instead of a letter E. So if you want to follow my channel there, it's kind of like a blog. You can do so by going to Instagram and clicking follow. Oops, sorry, I just moved that the tripod. Anyway, so as I've mentioned, this came in 3 colorways, and what I was able to get was the only colorway I believe that was released for men here in the Philippines, and that's the white colorway. The women's line, however, here in the Philippines actually got a treat because they got 2 colorways. They got this colorway, and they also had the black colorway, which is equally great. Look at that. See, so the black colorway also has the similar features. Aside from the logos, the white patterned laces, it just looks really clean. Look at that, and it's representing different colors of the African nations as well. Look at that. That's really clean. The thing is with the black pair, I believe they only come with just 1 extra set, not like the white ones where, you know, they get 2 extra sets of laces. So I guess that's a win for the white pair. And the black pair, however, I think this is more versatile, or shall we say versatile, because it's black and it's easy to pair with whatever you want to wear. And yeah, so I guess that's it. I think that's all that I can say about these shoes, and they're crazy nice. I'm gonna definitely put them to good use. If you guys are interested to know, reselling prices of these shoes are actually crazy. They're hovering around 250 to 260 US dollars, and that's more than twice the price that we got them here in the Philippines. So yeah, pretty good stuff from Adidas and Pharrell Williams, and this consortium really is about diversity and celebrating humanity, and I'm really glad that I was able to cop this pair, my first Pharrell and Adidas consortium sneakers or collaboration sneakers, and I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. So anyway, if you like this video, and I know that I have a lot of improvement to do, especially in the way I present the shoes, but in any case, if you like it, if you want to follow my progress, please do click the subscribe button, and please follow me on Instagram. Next again is spelled with a number 3 instead of an E. So thank you very much, and have a good day, guys.